Good morning, friends. It's 21st of September 2023, and we have just now shortlisted the stock which has satisfied our strategy, which has been already disclosed to you all. We are using two strategies, that is Ichimoku SuperTrend in combination of MACD, and I am just requesting you to just do the analysis on the basis of SuperTrend and MACD by yourself. And here I will just explain that here I will just use the Ichimoku trading system as well as MACD for your reference. So the two stocks are Jamna Auto and Lodha, that is Macrotech Developer. These are the two stocks will be analyzed today on the basis of Ichimoku trading system and MACD, and accordingly we will fix the trigger price, we will just determine the trend confirmation candle, and microscopically all the points will be analyzed, which is necessary for any trading activity. So I am just taking you to the chart, friends. Just see the chart of Jamna Auto first. This is the chart of Jamna Auto. What we are observing here is Shinkansen has given the positive crossover at around 10:30, whereas MACD has given the trend confirmation at around 10 a.m. Means MACD has crossed the signal line at around 10 a.m. upward, and Shinkansen has crossed the Hindu at around 10:30. So 10:30 the candle will be taken as the trend confirmation candle. This part is over now. Now from this particular candle, we will look back 26 periods to identify, we will look back in 26 periods to identify the highest price made by this stock in this duration. So what we are observing here, we are just observing that the trend confirmation candle, which is in bearish, which is the bearish candle. So the opening of this particular candle will be taken as the trigger price, because this is the highest price made by the stock during this particular period. So accordingly, we have got the trigger price of 123.85. So 123.85 is the trigger price, and the targets thereof. What should be the target? The target is very clear. We are using the weekly pivot. So first target is 125.10. Second target is 128, and third target is 133. So 125, 128, and 133, these are the three targets, and this target can be met in a day or two. First two targets can be met within a span of 3 to 4 days, but the last target of 133, it may take at least 10 to 15 days, because each level of target, you will see there will be a minor retracement. After retracement is over, then only the stock will reach that particular target and move upward. But before breaching and after breaching or after breaching, you will see some concept consolidation. Some consolidation you will see there. Stock will accumulate there. And after accumulation or consolidation, there will be a breakout and thereafter the stock will move upward. These particular these need sometimes means there is a time to fulfill all these criteria, then only the stock will move in the upward direction. So friends, trigger price has been fixed. Now we have to fix the stop loss. See, for the stop loss, for the short-term players, one should use the cloud low as the stop loss. So cloud low is for this particular candle is 122.95. Okay. Whereas intraday players or very short-term players can make use the position of Chicago span. Chicago span gives the position of support and resistance, and accordingly the stop loss can be determined. Here, what we are just observing here that the first bottom is formed here, thereafter second bottom here, third bottom here is still in progress. So we cannot say that this is the particular bottom here. But first bottom has been formed, second bottom has been formed. So what should be the stop loss? At 123.95 after breaching. After breaching, first bottom should be left. Sorry, second bottom should be left, and first bottom should be taken as the stop loss. So we will put the stop loss here. 122.75. 122.75 is our stop loss for the intraday players or short-term players, whatever it may be. But for intraday player, one should use the Chicago span position of support and resistance. Secondly, what we are observing here right now, there is a wide gap between single shade and single shade. See, if any close is observed below Tinker's in that case, there is a highest probability to that the stock may retrace to the level of inducing. See, this is the first aspect of the Ichimoku trading system, which can be visualized here. So this opportunity should be taken as buying opportunity in case of any retracement. Secondly, what we are observing here that span A and span B. Span A is going to cross the span B is going to cross. It has not crossed. It has not yet formed the green cloud. The trend is still in the bearish phase. So friends, if you are taking right now the trading decision, you should concentrate on the first target only, because we have not got any confirmation that the trend is long lasting. First of all, because span is presently running below the span A. It has not come. It is not crossed the span B, and it is not formed the green cloud. So friends, as you were just saying that the retracement may start, which may continue to the level of hinging same. Here, 122.45. So friends, not to worry at this stage. One should just check that whether the stock is entering into the bullish phase or not. This can be confirmed from this crossover. Means the bullishness has been confirmed firstly by the Tinkelstein crossover and Massey crossover. Chicago span is presently higher than the stock price. So this is the minor retracement is being observed in the Jamna auto, because stock has moved from this level, this level. So don't worry. Just hold the stock till this level, 122.40 or 122.75 you can say. So friends, all the aspects have been covered in case of Jamna auto, and we have applied here the Ichimoku trading system. The concept is very clear here that unless and until we get the trend confirmation from the cloud crossover, we cannot say that trend is long lasting. So one should not go for the higher target. Our target for today or tomorrow, or unless the confirmation is being seen, we cannot move for the higher target. So our target is 125. But this target should be achieved. And if thereafter, if we see any positive crossover, then positive crossover by the span A, means span A crosses over the span B, and forms the green cloud, then only we will assume that trend is initiated and is long lasting. So friends, just wait for the confirmation here. This crossover must be observed. Now friends, we will just move for the second chart, that is Lodha. Macro tech developer. Macro tech developers, see, I have already made all the levels here in this chart on the basis of Ichimoku trading system, where we have observed this is the particular candle, trend confirmation candle. From here we have looked back 26 periods for determination of the highest price made by the stock, and we have observed that this particular candle, that is the trend confirmation candle, which has shown the bullishness. So the close of this particular candle will be treated as the trigger price. So friends, what we are observing here in case of Jamna, in case of Lodha developer, trigger price is set as 791.50, and Tinkelstein is coming out and Tinkelstein is also coming out from the cloud. Means we are observing that Tinkelstein crosses above the cloud top, whereas Tinkelstein is also crosses the cloud from above. And span B, span A has crossed the span B from below to above and formed the green cloud. The green cloud formation has been done. So it is clear that the stock is in, has entered into the bullish phase and may continue for day or today or may 2 or 3 days. You can just see the bullishness in the stock. So any dip should must be honored for any dip must be honored for buying. It is a buying opportunity. So friends, the important aspect what we are just observing here, that the checkout time is above the price. First of all, first point for bullishness. Tinkertail is coming out from the cloud and Kindlechain is also coming out from the cloud. Both have crossed the cloud from above. So friends, this is the very bullish symptom, and one may see the bullishness as and when the stock reaches the trigger line, that is 791.50. This is the important aspect of the Ichimoku trading system has been discussed right now. It must be implemented in each and every analysis. So now we have to fix the target. What are the targets for this particular stock? After breaching, the first target is 821. Thereafter 846. And lastly 895. So these are the three targets which the stock will try to achieve in near future if the trend continues. So the first target can be achieved in a day or two because today we have just seen the trend confirmation candle has been formed today. Tinkan sale is coming out from the cloud today, and Kinjin sale simultaneously the Kinjin sale is also coming out from this particular cloud. In that case, we are we know that the trend is bullish now, and when you enter into the stock, that is very clear that unless and until the stock is traded above 791, we will not enter. So after breaching 791, the stock will move towards the first target, that is 821. Thereafter, it will retrace because the journey is long here from 791 to 821. This journey is long enough, and we may see some retracement at this level. So after retracement is over, somewhere the stock comes down from here to here, or this is the level 800, 800 is level. Stock may retrace up to the level of 802. This is the cloud stock, which was earlier formed. This is the third aspect of the Ichimoku trading system. This cloud gives the support and resistance. So we are just assuming that the stock may retrace to the level of 802. Thereafter, if the stock moves upward and reaches this level, and thereafter reaches this level and enter into the consolidation zone, and after giving the proper consolidation, if the breakout is seen, in that case, the second target can be achieved. So, this is the process from first target to second target. This is the process of at least 10 to 12 days. So, one should hold the stock for 12 days after getting the confirmation that the stock is traded above the 791. If the trigger price is reached, from there it may take at least 10 to 12 days to reach the second target, that is of 846. And the first target can be achieved in 2 or 3 days. So friends, all the aspects have been discussed right now. No. One thing has been left. That is the stop loss. What should be the stop loss here? See, first bottom made by the Chicago span. No, this will not be considered. This is the second one. This is the first bottom for this particular rally. This is the first bottom. Second bottom is this one. So the first bottom will be taken as the stop loss for this particular stock. So after breaching 791, our stop loss will be placed at around 771. 773, sorry, this is 773. So friends, wait for the stock to reach 791. Thereafter, when you enter the trade initially, the stop loss will be 773. So friends, all the aspects have been discussed for your knowledge and to build up and to build up your trading knowledge. We have discussed all the aspects of the trading system. It must be applied in each and every trade. And this type of analysis is necessary for entering into the trade either in case of intraday or short term or long term, whatsoever it may be. So friends, I am requesting you, if you are having any query, just email me. That email address has been displayed in the contact section of the YouTube. Whereas if you need, or you can drop a message in the comment section so that I can respond you immediately, or clarify the same at the earliest. And I further request you to kindly like the video and encourage us to provide you better concepts, better trading knowledge, and request you to share our channel in your group so that many more people can be benefited. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.